for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting because I'm back on camera. I feel like I haven't been on camera in so long. I've been doing so many other things. I launched my wig line, yay. Make sure you guys go check out gleemade.com for your premium synthetic lace wigs. I also have been doing a lot of hosting of events and panel discussions. I've been doing red carpet interviews at different events around the city, and it's just been fun, like getting out there and doing new things. I've also put in an application for a show that reached out to me, so I don't know if I've made it or anything yet, but I'm really excited. I can't say what it is yet because I don't really know what's gonna happen with it, but if I do end up getting picked, you guys will be the first to know, so definitely get excited for that. But today I am partnering with Cosmo Biz magazine to bring you guys some new hair from Harlem 125. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright you guys, so I did make a wig using the hair that they sent me. This is the Kima Master hair. It's their new synthetic bundle hair. This is a wig that I made just using a spandex cap and weaving glue. It did come with a circular round closure and it did come in 613. Obviously you can also get it in other colors like natural black, but the 613 I thought was really striking and pretty. This hair is very textured and it's very full and I love it. I used about 6 packs for this hair, but they do come in duo packs, so I guess that's only 3, I guess. But yeah, if you didn't want your hair this full, you don't have to use that many. The bang is a little bit thick, so I think I'm going to take some hair out of the bang, but I'm going to put it on first so you guys can take a look at it. If you're curious about this hair, I will leave a link in the description box, and I'll also leave a little link here where you can check out the review on this hair, but make sure you finish watching this video first. You guys, so this is the Kima Master hair from Harlem 125. Harlem 125 is one of my favorite companies when it comes to that natural black girl textured hair. I just love the way that their hair feels, and I love the vibe that it gives. It gives you that natural girl who straightened her hair type of vibe, and I just love that fluffy textured look. I love wearing my own natural hair in that way, like just blowing it out in a light flat iron, and I feel like that's what their hair gives me, that vibe. Like my favorite units from Harlem 125 are the ones that are textured, almost blowout looking type. So let me back up so you can see this unit in its entirety. So here we go. This is what this unit looks like. You guys, I am rocking my waist trainer today. This is from Healthy Moguls, trying to help me get my waist snatched. This is the first week that I've actually been going to the gym, and I got a gym membership at the YMCA. So I'm really trying to take it more seriously, like taking care of myself health-wise. I know a lot of people will look at me and say, you don't need to go to the gym, you know, you don't look like you're overweight or whatever, but it's about being healthy. For me, it's not about, you know, being a certain weight. Actually, for me, I have the opposite problem. I have to make sure that I'm eating enough and maintaining my weight. So for me, it's difficult when I go to the gym because I do lose weight, but I've been doing a lot of research and figuring out how I need to eat in order to slim down my tummy, because I do hold weight in my tummy and on my sides, but to also and also not lose the good weight that I want. Like, I do want to keep the weight that I've gained on my arms and my legs and my butt, but I do want to slim down my tummy. So I am on a little bit of a journey. So shout out to everybody out there that is on a weight journey, whether it's losing or gaining or just trying to improve their ultimate health overall. If you guys are doing that, I'd love for you guys to share your stories in the comments down below. It's just encouraging for me to know that there are other people out there just trying to work on themselves and better themselves in whichever way it is that you're trying to do that. I think we're all on a journey of doing that in some way, shape, or form, and it can be helpful. So leave your story down below to help somebody else. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. It's gorgeous. I have it all pulled to the front. Let me turn around so you can see it from the sides and the back. So another really nice thing about this hair is that all the packs of hair, no matter what the length is, are the same price, which is amazing. I will reach out to Cosmo Biz magazine to find out the retail cost of this hair and where you can find it, but I just wanted to show it to you guys because I think it's super cute. And 613 with the bang is something that I have not tried ever, I don't think. So I was like, yes, 613 hair with a bang. Let's see how that works out. And I actually really do like it. I was thinking about thinning out the bangs a little bit, but you know, I kind of actually like them full like this. I think it gives a cute look, and yeah, I'm happy with it. So you guys, let me know what you all think about this new Kima Master hair. And oh, make sure you check out Nabor, Hey Nabor. I'll leave a link to their YouTube channel down below. They did invite me over as a guest influencer, so I sat with Royal Beauty and the folks over at Hey Nabor and recorded a little chit chat about Kima Master hair over there. So make sure you guys check out that video, show support and love, and let them know you love seeing me on Hey Nabor so that they'll have me back again. All right, you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.